coming to a conference like this was really interesting because you get to have an in-depth discussion about what actually goes on about the Cambridge application process, and it's more individualised because you can ask questions, you can be more involved rather than, I don't know, something on a screen.
But what I really learned today from talking with all the students was that, you know, Cambridge is a very diverse, you know, university, and surely, like, you know, you will find someone who is similar to you, has similar interests to you, and so, you know, you are never kind of like the isolated character who relates to absolutely no one.
It makes me feel very relieved because I don't come from like a private school background, so I always thought me coming from a state school will put me at a disadvantage. However, today I learnt that I'm still the same as everyone else. I still have a chance to get in.
You know, Cambridge is a place where a lot of support is provided to students, especially if they are in financial need as well. And that's not something which is available at other universities. So the opportunities here for students, especially from underrepresented backgrounds or disadvantaged backgrounds, is a lot more if you were to come and study at Cambridge.
If you have an opportunity to apply straight away, because trust me, you'll get to meet a bunch of different people that you never knew, and I think that's one of the most rewarding things about this. I think networking is a great skill to have, and these type of events really let you network.